Welcome to the Bohle Shower Designer, your smart tool for simple or tricky shower measurements. Use the username and temporary password we sent you. Let's start with your first shower. You will now see the project list. Click on New and then on Shower. Enter the project data and your customer data here. You can save this information for future projects and reuse it at any time. Once all the information has been entered, continue with Design Shower. Here you have a choice. Either build your shower from the layout templates or select a ready-made Bohle template directly. Let's start with the Bohle templates. To do this, click on Item Template. Here you will find pre-configured standard shower types that correspond exactly to the Bohle measurement sheets. Select the desired fitting series: Arta, Avila, Yuna, Madrid, or Santos, and the appropriate type. Confirm your selection. Now specify the glass type and thickness. Enter the dimensions. Then save by clicking on Save. Back in the project list, you can call up automatically generated PDFs under View. For example, the glass order, the complete hardware list with all fittings, or the installation sheet. All glass dimensions are calculated automatically, and all fittings appear directly in the list. Now let's look at the second method for configuring a shower. Go back to the project list. Click on New, Shower, and then on Design Shower. This time, select Layout Template at the top to build the shower step by step. Once you are satisfied, confirm with Select. Here too, you can choose between Arta, Avila, Yuna, Madrid, Santos, and custom hardware fittings. Transfer the dimensions. Click on Save and switch to the hardware menu item. There you can add further fittings, including series that are not pre-configured, such as Barcelona or Bilbao. This means that selection and configuration are completed in no time at all, without any complicated calculations. All fittings are placed automatically, and the deduction dimensions are taken into account immediately. Want to replace a fitting? No problem. Click on the fitting. Select Remove, and then add the new fitting you want. For example, you can replace a doorknob with a handle or an angle connector with a U profile. The new items are automatically added to the hardware list, and the glass dimensions are adjusted immediately. Click on Save again and then on Project List. Under View, you can download all the important PDFs from the glass order to the hardware list. Your project is now ready for implementation. Finally, you can order the necessary fittings for your project directly from our online shop using the parts list. Alternatively, you can send the parts list to technical-hardware@bohle.de. Thank you for using the Bohle Shower Designer, Germany's best shower configurator. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.